Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri ketra puli puthi ke Sorkar jalau rakam sangma hakish potri grong phang arja option. Ula Maham ting ginu gibran kti banchu Thung kam bean hakis Skul Sorkar kibadan haborok kowe jala. Haba kren chikla pthai khubor Myntri ulong. Ladak Sorkar kayo jing unjual bagi dan kum gini jing Thung kam bean. Kan le daga bating pada kujuk por ula Maham ru nong pai Skul bagi de ban shim jingit clear lada ailat ban Thung bean Nonghikai hadin balale teachers information management system.
Look, I heard there are some of the schools or teachers who are having a proxy teacher, which is against the principle, which is against the will of the government, which is against to anybody. So this is not correct. If government receive any complaint of such kind, government, yes, definitely government will take a strong action against those teachers. But we encourage, we request teachers, if you have applied to become a teacher, be a teacher. Be a teacher. Therefore, it's my yes. I know there are many schools with a shortage of teacher, and you have appointed additional teachers at your own cost. I also heard, but we appreciate for such. But however, that you don't go to the school, but you appointed somebody, that is wrong. But however, I have seen many few teachers. Since there is shortage of teacher, you have appointed some additional teacher on your own cost. That too, I mean, I appreciate. The proxy teacher, if somebody file a complaint against somebody for having a proxy teacher, yes, government definitely will take an action, and also, it's government will issue a strong. It's being issued a strong warning to the head of the institutions. It will be your responsibility if you allow a proxy teacher, because after installation of the teams you will be accountable, and the head of the institution, you must understand the teachers is a teacher and you cannot appoint anybody in your place. It's a government whether to appoint or not to appoint. Therefore, it's my request, it's my appeal to all the teachers, both head of institutions as well as the concerned teacher, not to practice anymore. It is not correct. But however, if you have some urgency, if you have difficulties, you can ask for the leave. You can ask for the proper formal leave. You can go to some works and others with proper procedure. It's my request. Yeah.